go to the top and click on the Customize button. And now that's going to open up your WordPress theme settings. Then from here, go down and find Header. Click into this here. And depending on what template you chose, you may have this notification here regarding a transparent header. If you see this, this is important, and we'll take a look at it in a moment. But for now, go down and find Site Title and Logo. Let's click into it here. Click on Change Logo. Go to the top and click Upload Files. And now I'm going to drag in my custom logo from my computer. I'll drop it in here. Go to the bottom right and click on Select. And now you have the option to crop your image. Right now my logo is hard to see because it's a white logo loading on top of a white background. But just to be safe, I'm going to take the bottom here and give it a little bit of extra room. And I'll do the same for the top as well. And with that done, I'll go to the bottom right and click on Crop Image. Now you'll see my custom logo appear here in the top left, but right now it is really small and hard to see. To fix this, let's go down and find the logo width slider. I'm going to set this from 60 to 110. Now that looks a lot better here. Now, like I said a moment ago, if you have the transparent header notification, you'll have to click into that to fully update your logo. So click into Customize Transparent Header, and then you'll want to disable Different Transparent Logo. So I'll go ahead and turn this off. And now with that done, my logo has been fully updated. And now if you want to customize the layout of your header, for example, right now I have my logo, then my main menu, and then this button here, you'll want to look at the bottom of the page here. These settings here at the bottom control the layout of your header. To move the position of an element, just drag it and you can move it into a new position. I'll take my logo and move it back. And you can also remove different elements from your header as well. Like for example, here I have this button in the top right. I don't think I want this, so to remove it, I'm going to go to the bottom and find the button here, and then I'll click on the X. Now it's going to remove that element from my header. I'm happy with my changes to my header so far, so I'm going to go to the top and click on Publish.